Hi friends, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to process your monetization application for YouTube. So for that, you need to come on your monetization section. When you are on your channel monetization, you will see down there some information. Grow with YouTube, and if you have successfully completed these all 4 sections, then you will see green check mark and then you can apply. Once you will press the apply button, now you will come up on this page where you will see step 1, which is not started yet. So we will start from here. This is review YouTube partner program terms and conditions. Please read them very carefully because this information you will see once you have successfully completed your 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. So this information will not be available anywhere else before you are going to apply this application. So I'm going to take it very slowly that you can read each and everything very carefully and prepare yourself once you will receive your approval. There are some payment account requirement which you can read here. Same thing for payment terms, limitation and taxes. As well as termination and suspension. So you need to follow the notes. And some other information. So no one is going to show you this information, which is very important. After that, you can check this box. I accept the YouTube partner program terms and condition and accept terms. Click on it. As you can see, it is now processing. Now the process is completed, so you can see the step 1 is done. We are going to start the step 2 now, which is giving a kind of error. Every kind of error is different, so please read carefully. Now we are going to proceed with this. We will come up on Google Adsense and we are going to see this section. The YouTube section, if it is not enabled, then you can click on it. And if it is enabled, no need to click on it. So once we click on it, we need to confirm. After confirmation, you will see it is enabled. Now we are going to refresh our page. Let's have a look. It will take some time to show up that the process is completed. Click on monetization section. Here you go. As you can see, the step 2 is completed and now the step 3 is in progress, which is get reviewed. Thank you guys. If you need any kind of information or help, please leave your comment. I'll get back to you. Thank you.